Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my video. Today I'll start talking about a higher time frame, and before going down to lower time frame, and about the trades that we are looking at now, and what we will be looking for in the next few hours. And I'll be answering some questions when the time allows later. So let's get on to it. This is a USDT chart, inverted chart. As you can see here, this is inverted chart, and I changed the bar colors to green to red and red to green. The USDT dominance chart has been making very nice confluence and very nice trends, and the trends has actually surpassed. The quality of the trend has surpassed that of BTC. So that's why I've been charting on this USDT dominance. So right here we have higher time frames Bitcoin chart, and the BTC chart. The monthly is still going down. As you can see here, the light blue trend line is still going down. It's going down from since April, end of March. According to a bear flag structure, this should end up at 12K. So that's why everyone on Twitter has been talking about it, and that's what I told everyone when we were here, that this could be the end of the bear flag. That this was a bear flag. This could be the end of the bear flag to go down to 12K. Whether it can reach 12K is still a question now. So what is it? What is happening right now? Right now, previously, we had this weekly bear flag before going down, and now we are making another weekly bear flag with a breakdown of the line, and that should go down. Of course, it can make another lower high before going down. And in technical analysis, in drawing charts and analyzing and predicting what's going to happen next, predicting the direction, we use past history to make a good decision at the present, and to create a better future. So if we want to create a better future, we have to use something that's proven to work, that is tested. And for that, I only use Steel Step. Steel Step is a strategy based on price chart, price action. So indicators, they are useful, but if you depend on indicators only, then you would end up nowhere, because I've been studying indicators for years, and that's my conclusion. So where is price going in the near future? In the near future, we can see that this is the line that I drew when we were back at the top, and then there was a breakdown of this line, and we are now coming down. And what is happening right now is that, let's look at the details. This is a possible daily breakdown, a flat breakdown. If this breakdown doesn't happen right now, because there was a CPI news that came out yesterday, and that caused a big dump in across the market. So whether this is just caused by the news or this is the actual breakdown, we are not very sure right now. But what we can see is that this is making a bear flag, right? And the bear flag is for the orange line. So what I'm talking about is that the orange line is now completing this bear flag. With that orange line completing the bear flag, this trend will continue down. And this trend is the one that I drew a few days ago, a week ago. This light blue trend, and I think that this should be the last orange going down. This should be the last orange going down. How low it is going to make, how low it is going to be, I'm not very sure about that. It can be here. It can stop at about this point, at about this area, before going up to make this. So is Bitcoin going down? I think it is, but how low can it be? That question is something that I can't answer you. So we all have, because normally I answer things that is certain that will happen. Yes, it will go down. I can tell you that for sure. But how much it will be when it goes down, I don't know. Okay, our prediction shows that it will go down to 60k to 12k, 11 point something. But can we tell the future for sure? We can't. Yes, so for the higher time frame, that's our outlook for BTC. It has done a beautiful bear flag that is ending here, and now the bear flag is going down. How low is going to be? I don't know. If you want a one-to-one measurement of the bear flag, I can show you, definitely. I can show you that the one-to-one measurement will put it as at 7.7k. Will it go that low? To be honest, I don't think so. Why? The reason is because I think that this is the last pink line to go down, and the pink line shouldn't go that far. It can be 12k, it can be 16k. That's my current direction, that's my current target right now. And we have one super higher time frame, I would say. It's a yearly time frame. Yearly trend is a yearly trend, and the yearly trend support, the yearly trend is at about 6k. So will it reach that low? I don't know. Our one-to-one measurement put it at 7.7k. Will it go that low? I don't know. It may, but it's all prediction. So we can't say 100% certainty with 100% certainty that it will go down to 7 point something, right? So yeah, basically that's it. For higher time frame, it's going down, and for maybe middle term, you call it. For middle term, what we are looking for is this. This is the middle term. Basically, in the coming week, what is going to happen? I think, or I can see that right now, what it is showing. It is showing that the daily will go down. The orange line will go down very soon. And when it goes down, after it goes down, there will be a reversal. And a reversal will be a retracement for that line, okay, for this line. And how far the retracement will go, it's all prediction. It can be this point right here, it can be this point right here. So I took the middle point at about here, maybe. Okay. The thing that I'm sure of is that it will make a retracement after this one last downtrend. A retracement before further going down, and after that retracement, if it doesn't make, okay, at this point, it is still a higher low. Comparing this point to that point, this is still a higher low, okay? So if this retracement goes down, I can tell you that there is a very high chance that this will make a lower low. Okay, that's why this is a lower low compared to this line. If this doesn't break down, then it may continue up to make another higher high. All right. So our pink line breakdown is not yet confirmed until this line right here makes a retracement. A retracement, what I mean by retracement is that it goes up and down. So if it doesn't go down, if this line doesn't go down, then it may make another high. Okay. So now we look at shorter term, which is our this line. Hold on. Shorter term. What I have right here is this. What I expect to see is this. I expect the 1 hour, the white line to go up and down and up and down. So I expect to short here. I'm not pointing at the exact price, but I'm pointing at the projection of the direction. Do you understand what I mean? Yeah, so how can we trade right now? If you're looking for a trade that lasts for about 1 hour, then what we are looking at is this right now. This is going up and down and up before going down. So we will have a chance. I think when I first started this streaming, we had a chance to long this, but it's okay. We missed it. So later on, you will see another chance to long here, to go up and down and up and down. Okay. So that's basically the summary of the market, what the market is doing right now, and where we are looking for in the coming week, in the coming day, and in the coming hour. That's easy, isn't it? Market analysis, technical analysis, so easy. So Chris 7, Leo High say thanks. Yeah, you're welcome. Chris 7, isn't it the 3D breakout and the 1 day is making higher low? The 3D breakout, where? Where's the 3D breakout? This is the 3D breakdown. It's not the 3D breakout. It's the 3D breakdown. And the 3D is going down. When you see a 3D breakout, yes, it needs a higher low from the orange. Yeah. So when you see a breakout of the light blue line, of the turquoise line, then you will need a higher low of that orange line. And when the higher low is established, then you can confirm that the light blue line has a breakout. Right now, there is no sign that the light blue line has a breakout, and there is no confirmation that the light blue line is going up. So we don't say that there's a breakout. And when you say that we can short 3-day lower high after weekly breakdown, we are already in the breakdown. This is the breakdown, and we have a weekly breakdown as well. So right now, like I said just now, we are going down maybe to this area before making a retracement, which will be the 3-day lower high. Okay. You have to understand the market structure to make sure that the shape of the market, the shape of the wave structure, to make sure that you understand that it's a 3D breakout or is it a daily breakout. Okay. If you are to tell me to look at USDT chart, this is the current 3-day chart, 3-day line. Okay, this is the current line for the turquoise. This is the current turquoise line, and we have daily breakout. That is for sure a daily breakout here. And do we have so for the daily breakout, it can be a daily retracement, so it's not going to be an impulse wave going up. It is a retracement correction to go down further. So we can't say that there's a 3-day breakout right here, and now the daily is breaking out as well. A daily making a higher low. No, it's not. This is a lower time frame direction. This is a green line breakout. Okay. So if you want to use the indicator to help you look at this breakout and breakdown, you can. But it's better to use a price chart and understand the shape of the wave structure. This is just daily extended daily down and extend another daily retracement to go down further. Okay, from our daily chart we can see that clearly wrong color. This is our daily line, and our light blue line is still hanging. Because we can't draw it yet, because the next point for the daily hasn't formed yet. So I think that this is the top of the daily low high that is forming, and if that's the top, then we can draw this turquoise line, light blue, to go down further. Okay. That's the line that we have at this moment. Yesterday we had this line, which I am contemplating whether this is a daily or just 4 hour. I think that's just 4 hour, extended 4 hour. Extended 4 hour going up and 4 hour going down. So if that was 4 hour going down, do we have LFG flag? I think we do. I think we do have LFG flag here. So the orange. Let me check further. The orange retracement may not be over yet. So if this whole thing is orange reversal, then we have orange going up. Right now, we have orange going up right now. And orange going up will make, will confirm the next point of our daily. And then we can draw this turquoise line. And the daily will make an LFG flag to go down. Okay, so this is the current direction. So last night, or yesterday, after that CPI news came out, it dumped. But I think that was to resume after the dump. After the dump, the market resumed the trend, which was to go up. and therefore we are looking at this orange going up. With that orange going up, what is going on with this line? Why can't it be a straight line? Anyway, let's delete this. So that's the white, white, and white. Before a white down and down. Okay. So that's what I'm looking at right now. This will be a reversal to go down. Yes, any more questions? Just now, ENG asked about explanation on how, what I mean by lower high and higher high. Lower high and higher high is easy, right? It's so basic. But maybe you're asking about how I confirm this is a lower high and higher high. So maybe you're asking about how do I confirm that higher low? Is that what you're asking? So just now I said that after the 1 hour higher low, we should long, and I think it did the higher low just now. And now we're looking for a purple higher low, which should happen very soon. So how do I confirm that higher low? I think I mentioned this a lot of times before. If you look at my previous videos, for example, if this makes a retracement later, how do I confirm that higher low? It is simply by looking at a breakout of that higher low. When there is a breakout, then we confirm that is the higher low. Okay, maybe I can show you this example. This green line. So how do we confirm that higher low? That higher low happens after this breakout happened. So that higher low happened after this breakout happened. And how do I confirm that breakout is after this breakout happened? Do you understand that? So to confirm this higher low, we need a breakout, and after that breakout, we need another breakout right here. So when that happens, right here, and when that happens, that is the confirmation of this higher low, and confirmation that you can be sure this trend is going up, and you can trade it. All right. And after that, we are going to look for this higher low. So how do we determine that higher low? So this higher low will happen after So right now maybe it'll make a flat breakout. So for let's say it goes down and down and down and up. How do I determine this? How do I confirm that this is the higher low? When it makes that breakout, it will make a little breakout over here. That's when we can confirm that the higher low is done, the higher low is confirmed, and we long. Yes, Leoha, you are right. Yeah, you see right now we are looking at a possibility of a flat breakout. But it's not confirmed until another breakout happens. And right now, I'm looking at a flat breakout. A flat breakout with a bearish divergence, it means that that could be the extension of that trend before going down to make a retracement. So can we enter now? No, we can't long now. Longing here is extremely risky. We always long at the high low because that is where our LFG flag is. That is where still step tells us that it is safe to long. That is where still step tells us that we can put our stop loss below that low. So without these conditions, we don't take the trade. When the streaming started, we can actually take a long. We could actually take a long, because that's where the breakout happened. And after the breakout, obviously now we are looking at a flat breakout. If this didn't make a flat breakout, if it, you know, this is just a yellow breakout, okay? And possibly a flat breakout of the purple. So if it didn't make a flat breakout, if it comes down, and maybe it should come down, this could be an extension of the purple line, and this should come down to make a normal retracement, and then we can long later. Okay, is there any more questions? Steve, is Steve here? Steve is asking about how do we spot LFG flag? It's easy. And I do believe that we can make an automated version of that LFG flag. We can make an indicator out of it. Anyway, regarding this trend table, the trend table is accurate. It's very accurate. So when you see this 4 going up, you'd want to long. You don't want to short, okay? Your long will always be in profit when you see this 3 going up, okay? The trend table is accurate. It's very accurate. But how do you use it? First of all, as an indicator, we don't rely on it to enter our trade. It doesn't give us our stop loss. It doesn't give us our target. It just gives us a quick direction where this market is going. But so how do we use it? So there's a sequence to how we use it. Okay. So after you learn how to use it, because you need to learn still step to be able to use it. After you learn still step, you apply still step principle to the trend table, and then you can use it easily. You can use it to determine your still step direction, your market direction. If we look at 15-minute chart, I think that should be the end of our extended 15-minute time frame before it makes this. So basically a retracement. I'm looking for a retracement. Without a retracement, we don't long here. What can happen is that it can come down to make a big wick and before going up. So when it comes down, it may hit your stop loss before going up. And I don't recommend that you don't put a stop loss, because this can happen if you don't put a stop loss. This can happen, okay? So imagine yesterday, if you took a long here, basically here, up, and you didn't put a stop loss, and you didn't take profit as well. This made a very nice profit from here to here. That's I think that was about 0.5, and then from here, let's go down further. Yeah, it's not a good place to take a long, but if you did long here, you'd hit your stop loss anyway. If you didn't put a stop loss, yes, you could make 1.5, 1.6% before it hits your stop loss. If you don't put a stop loss, you'll be in a sad situation where you would see minus 5%. So that's all for what I have to say today. That's all for the target for the market today. We are looking for a retracement. So if this continues to go up, making another flat breakout, yeah, like this, you know, like this one, like this, then what can happen is that should be the end of the white line, and I expect the white line to go down for a retracement before going up. So if you didn't catch the long, like me when I first started my live streaming, then it's fine. We don't catch it, then we wait. Protect your capital, the chances will come. Is there any more question? If there's no more question, I think the market is clear to you right now, and I will end this almost 45 minutes of live streaming. Lead launch. How do I get the trend table? Our trend table is here. Where? Here. Okay, that's our trend table. If you click on it, then this will appear, and then you can put this as your favorite. And after that, you can find this from your indicator favorite. Okay, it's called Still Step Assistant. I'm not sure whether you can find it right now. Yeah, I think you can. Still Step Assistant is right here. Oh, but no, sorry. That's my script. Oh, hold on. Community script. Still Step Assistant. Yeah, it's out. So you can have a look at it. The trend visualizer. The first one, okay? Trend visualizer. This one. Yeah, you can just find it. So when I first posted it, you had to go through that step that I mentioned just now, because it was not published yet. I think now it's published. So like I said, this can be the extended purple line, and this can be the end of the purple line to make a retracement before going up. It can go up one more time. The 3-day trend is very close to the end. So if this is not going to make, if this, our daily line, our orange line, this is our orange line right now. If there's a breakout right here, I mean, well, let's put it there. Let's put it hanging up there. So if this makes this and this, what I expect to do is long this. The reason is that will be an impulse wave for the 3-day breakout. Okay, if this happens, then that's an impulse wave for the 3D breakout. Okay, so just anticipate this. If it does after at the top when it's coming down, after making that ABC coming down, when we see that there's a breakdown on our tools, our assistants, then we should short right there. Anyway, we will be shorting at this point anyway, so we short here and we anticipate to close at this point. If this makes an ABC, then we close our short and we open a long. If it doesn't make ABC, if it makes this, then we keep our short. It's simple as that. It's very simple. So either this or this. Simple. Okay. We move, we change with the market. We look at the market, what it is saying, and when it happens, we react, we respond to what the market is saying, and we place our trade, we place our position, whether we go up or down. Okay, it's as simple as that. So I think the point is this. I've been saying this, but if you missed it, then I'll say it once again. We are trying to look for perfection. So I think everyone is trying to look for perfection. To me, I'm trying to look for perfection in my win rate. So I'm trying to get a perfect win rate, 100%. Yesterday I made 100% win rate. So that's my goal. I don't look for maximum profit. I look for highest win rate, perfection in win rate. So I don't look for a perfection in my prediction. For example, if you're saying whether 1 week later where this is going to end up, is it going to end up higher or lower? I can't guarantee you that. I'm looking for perfection for my win rate. And I can tell you, the longer it takes, the more external factors that's coming in, the less accurate your prediction is. The shorter the time is, the less external factors that's affecting your decision, that's less factors that's affecting the market condition, the more accurate your prediction is. So we react to the market. We are day trader. We are all day traders. So we look at the market condition every hourly and react and respond. Is there any more question? Any more? No? If there's no more question, I'll end this video here, this channel. Remember to subscribe to my channel, to like the video, to share the video, do whatever you want. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for coming and to view this video. Goodbye.